Hello guys, how are you all doing? I hope everyone is safe and sound. Today, I want to discuss a Forex trading broker offering a $50 no deposit bonus in 2024. Before we get into the details, I recommend watching this video entirely to understand the process and terms and conditions. Orbicapital, $50 United States dollars no deposit bonus 2024. Orbicapital's offers. Orbicapital frequently provides advantageous campaigns for its investors. By filling out their offer information form, you can stay informed about these promotions. Spin the Wheel of Fortune, claim your $50 bonus. Luck favors the brave. At Orbicapital, they believe in adding excitement to your trading experience. They offer the Orbicapital Lucky Draw, an exclusive opportunity to start your trading journey with a $50 no deposit bonus. Key features. Exclusive opportunity. Be among the first 50 winners to receive a $50 no deposit bonus. Global luck. Open to all registered Orbicapital clients worldwide. Spin and win. Spin the virtual wheel for a chance to claim your bonus. Terms and conditions. Campaign period. Limited time offer. Participate now. First 50 winners. The first 50 participants to win will receive a $50 no deposit bonus. Eligibility. Open to all new Orbicapital clients. Withdraw. No, only profits made with the bonus can be withdrawn. Terms and conditions apply. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new. Please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with your friends and family. Thanks.